was a wild colonial boy, Jack Duggan was his name. He was born and raised in Ireland, in a place called Castlemaine. He was his father's only son, his mother's pride and joy, and dearly did his parents love the wild colonial boy. It was at the age of 16 years when he left his father's home, and through Australia's sunny clime he did decide to roam. He robbed those wealthy squatters, and their stock he did destroy, and a terror to Australia was the wild colonial boy. In 61, this daring youth commenced his wild career. With a heart that knew no danger, no foeman did he fear. He stuck up the Beechwood mailing coach and robbed Judge McAvoy, who trembled and gave up his gold to the wild colonial boy. Surrender now, Jack Duggan, you see it's 3-1. Surrender now, Jack Duggan, you daring highwayman. He drew a pistol from his belt and shook the little toy. I'll fight but not surrender, said the wild colonial boy. He fired a troop with Kelly and brought him to the ground, and in return from Davis received a mortal wound. All shattered through the jaws he lay, still firing at the Troy. And that's the way they captured him, the wild colonial boy. And that's the way they captured him, the wild colonial boy.